Good morning, YouTube family. I'm bringing to you a quick run deal. I was in Walmart yesterday, and I apologize for not filming this, but I was buying these really fast. These are from your local Walmart. Please go on the app and check for this particular brand, and I'll zoom in so you can see the barcode. There you go. Please, this is a run deal. These were $1.50. They only had these four left, so of course I cleared the shelves. These are great for people who don't eat breakfast, the elderly, people who just got out of the hospital who is trying to work up their appetite again. Also, lastly, these are for people who just had surgery of any kind, whether it's mouth or something internal. So I'm going to show you my receipt. I had to purchase other things. So as you see, the four high protein drinks were $1.50 each. So, like I said, this is a run deal. Please hurry and check your app. I will show you the expiration date because I assumed, wow, it must be about to expire. But no, as you can see, December 7th, 2021. And again, family, here is the barcode. Happy shopping. Go get that deal.